Hello there, everybody. Today, we're gonna make some water. First off, you need a cup. God damn, we don't have cups. Alright, let's check the other closet thingy. It seems like we ran out of cups. Anyways. There's a cup. Fortnite cup. There's cat. And there's dog. And if you want to make water, I'm sorry. Hop. Sit. Anyways, as I was saying, if you want to make water, there's this thing called a gallon. Be careful there. Anyways, there's this thing called a gallon, and if you place a cup down here, and you press this button, water, H2O. This is very popular among us. That sounds sus. I know. And then and then after you have this, just open your big ass mouth and take a sip. That's water, okay? If you want to add something to this, since you don't like the taste of water, I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So, bye-bye.